All right, I just wanted to do a quick video on the drain lock. We just left the 2025 Hershey RV show, and we came here to Camping World to dump our tanks. And we're gonna go down here and I'll show you what's going on. All right, that's busted off. And then this one is broken too. It won't lock in. You can get it there, but it's not working. So, in comes the drain lock. So all we do, shove her down inside the pipe, make sure she's in there, give her a lock, and it's not going anywhere. Hook up the hose, and we're good to go. All right, so that's it. Once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time, and the camera's crooked as hell.